Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to analyze the application logs. For example, in here we are checking the database logs. First you have to upload the data. Click on upload. Select the file. Go to downloads. Select the log file. Open them. Click on next. Here we have to keep the source type as log4j. Here you can see output produced by any Java 2 Enterprise Edition application server logs. Click on next. You can choose the index name as main or whatever you need. Here I am creating a new index. It will be named as app logs. Click on save. Review the settings and submit it and start searching. In here you can see there is a search query is auto run. This is the log files generated information, right? First we have to see what is the index is indicating. Yeah, that's it. Just click on search it. Yeah. Here we can see lot of events, right? If you observe the interesting field, what an application was doing. These are interesting fields was developed by the application logs. Based on these interesting fields, we are investigate what is the problem, how to mitigate it, and configure that what is the true positive and what is the false positive. Let's find out. This is the application log events. So what type of application in here? Let's see what type of application was. Here you can see select ID, email from where, country US, select from. I think this is look like an database application. If you know the query language, this is like SQL, right? Which is used in the databases. Yeah. We are now looking the events from the database application. Let's see in the query. Okay, there is a values. How many values is there? 7 values. The highest value is select ID email from customer where the country is US, 28%.571. If you see the index, there is an app log value, duration. Let's see duration. Okay, let's see the highest value. Here what is the highest value? 37 seconds, right? Click on it. Only 2 events, that is long running query detected. This event showing query monitor, long running query detected, duration was 37 seconds, query from orders where status pending. Why is this query is duration is 37 seconds? Why is this query runs for so long? Why? Let's see. In here I think this is a from database application. The application is indicating, I think I really don't know what is the source for it. I think this is in a shopping or something. Here you can see the orders, right? So I thought it was a shopping website or whatever. Okay, maybe the user was unable to pay or review the order. That's like, let's see what is this. I think this is punctuations. Let's explore it. Okay, in here you can see failed to connect to database, timeout expired after 47 seconds, host db.port.local port. Okay, I think based on this error was raised. Why is this database was failed to connect? Okay, maybe there is a session timeout, I think. Okay, let's do one thing, go back. Here 5 more fields that we can add. Host source type, we don't need it. Okay, in here what are we learning actually? Here we are learning about long learning queries. Here we can observe the root cause is bad SQL or index large data. Comparing query comparing and customized SQL and add indexes. These customized indexes and add indexes can help to improve the performance. Next, DB connection issues. Try manual DB connection and fix the errors like true pool fix config. Like how to verify and try manual DB connection means if you have any DB database application, you can go through it and find out what is causing this long run queries or DB connection issues. You can go back there and you can solve there. This is the Splunk where the events was collected and you have to analyze what is happening. Here you can see failure to connect to replica database, authentication failed. Failure to connect the replica database. Here you can see it is failure to connect the database, right? So it was a error in database, so you have to go and check there. Next, if you see the previous query or whatever, I think query punctuation, here you can observe failure to connect to database, timeout expired after 47 seconds. Here you can observe the service was unresponsive. What is the root cause for it? I think there is a crash in database or downstream delay. To verify this is the right this is a correct way of approaching, you have to verify it. You have to verify what you are assuming is right. Test endpoints, monitor resource. What is the resource in here? Database, right? Go to resource and check whether the problem was the database or Splunk or any agent, whatever. To fix that problem, scale and improve health checks. Health checks means, for example, if you see here, this is health of a local Splunk deployment. It was showing such lag is some error, right? So in this way, the database or whatever the application you are running in your local system, that was showing in health monitoring. If you solve that, there is no long run queries and DB connection issues. These are the errors related to the resource. Okay, let's do it. I go back. Let's see duration. Here you can see there are some durations. Okay, here we confirmed that after verifying this information, this is the problem with the database, not the other, for example, attacker or whatever. This is not like that. This is from resource error. It generates the resource error events and send it to the Splunk. As a SOC analyst, what we are doing is analyze what events are occurring, and we have to find the true positives and false positives. This is the like true positive, but this is an error in the database. So you don't have to worry. You just have to contact your database management or team. They can solve this error. Yeah, just click on save, create an alert. What was the title? DB means in database resource. Yeah, give whatever title you like. Means title means what is the event, which events are you gathered, what type of events you are doing. Based on this you have to give the title. This is like, for an example, here trigger conditions means number of result is greater than 0, just send mail to the SOC team. That's it. Yeah. Thanks for watching. In the next video we are going to analyze the network logs.